Lie the refrigerator flat on a stable surface. Open the cabinet glass door. Twist the screws off. And then remove the front grille. First, twist straight the stainless steel wire to make room for removing the door hinge screw. Then remove the door hinge screws and remove the door hinge in the bottom. If the stainless steel wire gets in the way when removing, twist straight the stainless steel wire again until it is removed. Move the entire door downward until it is completely removed. Prepare the door body to be replaced. Then align the upper door hinge hole with the upper door hinge, and gently push it in until it is in place and aligned. Align the door hinge with the stainless steel wire at the bottom right corner of the door and insert it. Align each screw hole, then tighten the screws.
Don't need to tighten it completely, which makes it easier to adjust the position. Make sure the side of the door is flush with the cabinet. When the two screws on the left side are not fully tightened, insert the door hinge accessory into the middle and tighten the screw. Last, tighten the middle screw.
And finally, twist the stainless steel wire to 90 degrees and twist it back into the positioning groove. Align the screw holes and tighten the screws.